Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is a very special day because yesterday we crossed 50 subscribers. I know it's very little, but it is. So it's a big day for me. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite magic tricks. So today we won't use these cards because these cards is kind of boring. So today we're going to keep this aside, and today we are going to use these cards. So let's get into the magic trick. So here's the trick. So you give the cards to the spectator and they can shuffle it as much as they want. So after that's done, take the cards from them, take it, and now you tell them to cut it half. The deck, roughly half they can cut it, and you keep this deck aside. Take that deck with the cut, and we're going to make 3 piles, okay? Perfect. So now let them choose any one pile. Let's say for example they pick this pile. Tell them to, I won't look, I'll look away. Tell them to choose any one card. Let's say they pick this card. I don't have a spectator, so I'm going to show you. You won't look. The 8 of spades, okay? So you can shuffle it. Now we are going to again make 3 piles. So now you have to tell them to guess in which pile that card is. For example, let's say they pick this pile. So let's see. Yeah, the 8 of spades is there. So we are going to take the cards, and we have to do this more 2 times. So we are going to do okay. Now square up the cards. Now you have to guess again. Let's say it's in this pile. Is it there? So yep, it's there. The 8 of spades. Now the last time. So tell them to guess. Let's say they say this pile again. So spread out the cards. So it is not there. So now tell them to guess between these two. Let's say this pile. The 8 of spades is there. So now in the real performance you won't look at the cards, so you don't know which card the thought of card is. So let's see if I can get your card. This is your card. So let's head to the tutorial. So here's the tutorial to this trick. I just wanted to give you a short note. So in the performance, when you will do this trick, you all won't look at the cards even once, so it will be some random pile of cards, and then from that pile you remove their card. So when you are doing it with a spectator, it will seem pretty cool. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial now. So what you do, give the spectator the cards. They can shuffle it as much as they want. After they finish shuffling the cards, you take the cards from them. So now what you do, you take the cards and you tell them to cut the deck half and keep these cards aside. Take their cards. You can shuffle this also if you all want. And now you all are going to make 3 piles. You are going to put 3 cards at a time, like this. And total you have to do this 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 2 cards you can keep it back. If you are short of cards, you can take it. So this will be around 27 cards. So that much cards you need for this trick. So now what you do is, you let them pick any one pile. Let's say they pick this pile, and from this pile they have to memorize one card. This is going to be the thought of card. Let's say they pick the ace of spade. So now you're going to put this cards on the top. Now what you do is, you can shuffle it now again, that is if the spectator wants. So now you put one card at a time, and we are going to keep repeating this till it doesn't end. So you have to go in a triangular shape. So if you start from here, you should end here, and if it doesn't, you have done something wrong. So now they have to guess in which pile their card is. Let's say this is in this pile. So you see if their card is in that pile. They see if their card is in the pile. They say no, then you have to guess from these 2. Let's say they guess this. Now you have to see if their card is there. Nope, not then this. So it has to be in this. So you see, yeah, the ace of spade. So important, you have to put this on top. Which pile their card has, you have to put that on top, and you're going to take. Now you have to do this for a total of 3 times. So more 2 times you have to do this. Okay, so now square up the cards. Now they have to guess again. Let's say they pick this pile. So let's see if the card is there in this. Nope, not there in this. Let's say they pick this pile now. The ace of spade. Nah, not there. It has to be in this one. So, yep, there it is. We're going to put this on top, and then this on top. So this is the last time. We do this the last time. So this trick is basically without any setup, and it works on your own. You have to just to do it right, it will happen. So now after you do this, you don't need any sleight of hand, nothing for this card trick. It's like very simple. Let's say they pick this pile, the ace of spade. Nope. Now let's say they pick this pile. Yep, there it is, the ace of spade. Now you have to put this on top, and so now what you do is, the card will always be the 7th card. If you do this right, the card is the 7th card from top. So you go 1, and this is very important, you should do it slow, and you have to count in your mind. 2, so you go 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th card is their card.